For joining us today for our math lesson. We're happy to see you. Can everyone say hello? Hello. Let's do our meditation first. What should I do for meditation? Think about our heart center. 2 fingers to find the heart center. Left hand in my lap and close my eyes. Great job, friends. Everybody knows just what to do. So we're going to close our eyes and breathe quietly. Feel for that boom boom in your heart center. Move your right hand into your lap when you feel it. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last breath, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly stand up. Very nice. Good job. Let's stretch our arms up into a T. Stretch all your fingers out. Good job. And let's touch our toes. Touch your toes. Back is flat. Let your monkey arms swing around. Very nice. Stand up straight and tall. Let's do it one more time. Put your arms into a T. And touch your toes. And come up halfway. Make your back flat. Let your monkey arms hang. Very nice. You can spend a few minutes being a monkey. You can scratch like a monkey. You can walk around like a monkey. Yeah. Very nice little monkeys. Very nice. Okay. Let's turn to our neighbor and tell that neighbor hello. Hello. Tell your neighbor hello with your other hand. Give your neighbor a handshake. Carefully give your neighbor a handshake with the other hand. Shake hands, two hands at the same time. Very nice. Give your neighbor a high five. Careful. Give your neighbor a high five with the other hand. Very nice. Give your neighbor two high fives at the same time. Yeah. Okay, give your neighbor double high fives. Triple high fives. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Shake hands with your neighbor. Now do a spin with your neighbor. Very nice. Okay, let's clap our hands 3 times. Let's jump 3 times. Let's step 3 times. Let's spin 3 times. 3. Woo! Okay, everybody can take a seat. In this lesson, we're going to keep working with meters, and we're going to measure the length, width, and height of a few objects around the classroom, including our entire classroom. So first, we're going to start with our warm-up. Everybody stand up. Show me width. Width. Good job. Show me thin. Thin. Show me wide. Wide. Very nice. Thin. Wide. Thin. Wide. Thin. Wide. Thin. Good job. Show me length. Which way is length? Length. Good job. Show me long. Show me short. Long. Short. Long. Short. Great job. Show me tall. Show me short. Tall. Short. Very nice. Which way is that when we measure like this? Height. Great job. That's our height. Height. Very nice. Width. Show me width. Great job. Show me length. Length. Show me height. Height. What does height look like? Very good, friends. Very good. Show me short. Short. Where's short? Show me long. Long. Very nice. Long. Show me tall. Tall. And short. And tall. And short. And wide. Ooh. This way. And thin. And long. Good job, friends. Okay, everybody can take a seat. I think we know our width, our length, and our height. So we're going to measure the width, length, and height of a few items today with our rulers and then with our meter sticks. We're going to measure the length, width, and height of a few things in our classroom. One thing we're going to measure is our colored pencil box. So we need a volunteer who can measure the length for us. Okay, come on up and measure the length. Which way is she going to measure for length? Like this?
No.
Like this?
No.
How?
Like this?
Yeah, like this. Okay, can you measure the length for us with your ruler, please? You're going to measure length. There we go. Very nice. How long is our colored pencil box?
22.
22? Okay. What letter does length start with? L. Very good. E. Okay, our length of our colored pencil box was what? 22. 22 meters? Centimeters. Yeah, centimeters. Centimeters. What's another way we can measure this box? The height. Who can measure the height for us? Who's going to measure it? Pat, come measure the height for us. Come measure the height of our colored pencil box. Is he going to measure like this?
No.
Like this?
Yes.
For height?
No.
Show me how Pot's going to measure for height.
Big.
Yeah, like this. Okay, measure height for us. Very nice. How tall is our pencil box? 7?
Yes.
Okay.
What?
7? Cool. What letter does height start with? H. Good job. H. E. I. G. H. T. And our height was 7 centimeters. So 7 centimeters tall. What other way can we measure this pencil box? We did length, height, and width. Yeah, can you measure width for us? Come on up, measure width for us. Yeah, come on up here and measure width for us. Which way is width? Is width like this?
No.
No, which way is it? Yeah, it's like this. Okay, can you measure width for us? Very nice. There you go.
19.
19, okay. What letter does width start with? Good job.
W.
W.
E.
I. D. T. H. And remember, it's just important that we remember which letter it starts with. We don't have to worry about the spelling. How wide was it? 19 centimeters.
CM.
CM, that's right. Very good. We measured our first item. Okay, we're going to measure 3 more items in our classroom. So we've got our worksheet. Everybody's going to get their worksheet, and we're going to practice recording the first colored pencil box item onto our worksheet that we already measured. So you're welcome. Here's your worksheet. And we're going to write for number 1 the colored pencil box that we already measured. So on your paper, you want to look for length. Starts with an L, where we can write 22 centimeters. Look for H for height. Very nice. And the height of our box was 7. Yep, you can write, just write right over the top of those letters. You can trace them. So you get a little writing practice. Yeah, very nice. Good job. I like the pictures you drew to help you remind yourself. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, just like that. So our height, oh wait, but we want to make sure we're writing for the right ones because our length, is our length 7?
No. Yes.
22. So make sure, yeah, it's 22. So make sure you're looking. Are you going to write 22 here?
No.
Where? Yeah, right there. Yeah, because that's our length. Our length. Make sure you're looking at the column with the L in it. With the L. Yes, very nice. Great job, you got it. The length and the height. Yes, very good. You got it in the right spot. Great job. Great job. Very nice. Very nice, friends. Okay. The next thing we're going to measure is a book. We have a book we're going to measure. So everybody got their length, height, and width of our colored pencil box? Everybody finished with this?
Yeah, finished.
Okay. So who can measure the length of our book for us?
Me.
Okay, come on up. Come on up. How long is our book? How long is our book? 29 centimeters for our book. So our second item is 29 centimeters long. Is that longer or shorter than our colored pencil book? It's longer. Very nice. Make sure you put it in the middle column with the L. Pangpon, can you measure our book? No, you don't want to? Okay, who wants to measure? Okay, who wants to measure?
Me.
Okay, come on up. Bring your ruler. Bring your ruler. Yep. Yeah, so put it on the bottom here. Like this. You were right. How tall is our book? 2 centimeters?
Yeah.
All right. Our book is 2 centimeters tall. Good job, friend. 2 centimeters. cm per centimeters. Our book is 2 centimeters tall. Very nice. And then for height, for our book, you're doing just great. Yeah, you got it. Perfect. Very nice. So pot for number 2, we've got length for 29. Great job. Length 29, height 2. Okay. Okay. Skip number 1. All right, good job. Okay, who can measure the width of our book? The width of our book. Nadia, why don't you measure the width of our book? Nadia, come on up and measure the width of our book. Show me how she's gonna measure. Like this? Like this? How? Ah, like this. Okay, can you measure the width of our book, please? How wide is our book? 21, okay, thank you. 21 centimeters wide.
Finish.
Very nice.
Finish.
Good job, we've got our second item measured. What? You want to measure something? Okay. All right, very nice. The next thing we're going to measure is our book, one of the books we read. So Leka, can you help us measure the book? And you can choose which way you want to measure. Which way do you want to measure this book? Height? Okay. How tall is our book? 20 centimeters tall for height. Which one says height? This one?
No.
This one?
No.
Oh, this one. Okay. 20 centimeters tall for number 3. Okay, very nice. 20 centimeters tall. Who can measure our book another way? Who wants to measure? Okay, come on up. Who wants to measure? What's another way we can measure this book? What's another way we can measure this book? Yeah, we could do length. Very nice. How long is our book? Yep. How long is our book? 15 centimeters long. 15 centimeters long. Okay. Can we measure our book another way? book another way? What do you think? Does this book look thin or wide?
Wow.
Thin or wide?
Me.
What do you think? Does it look thin or wide?
Thin.
Yeah, it looks pretty thin. Do you think we can measure this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, try and measure. Try and measure this way. Like this. You think we can measure that way? What do you think?
One.
Is that even to 1?
No.
No, yeah, it's so thin. Like paper, like the paper on your desk. Can you measure how wide that paper is? It's pretty thin, right?
One.
Yeah, sometimes things are too thin to even measure, like our paper book or the paper on our desk. So we're gonna leave it blank. We're gonna leave it blank. Or you can put a 0. Or you can put a 0. Okay, good job, friends. Very nice. Something at your desk. Measure something at your desk, like your pencil box. Or your pencil pouch. Let me borrow it real quick. Or your pencil pouch. Or your colored pencils. Or your book. Or your book. Yeah, measure something at your desk. Measure the length, measure the height, and the width. You can measure that. Yeah, your pencil sharpener, that works. You want to measure that? Can you measure how wide that is? It's pretty thin. Yeah, you can measure anything you want at your desk. Measure one thing. Yeah, and write your length, your height, and your width. Yep. Height. What's your height? Height. Very nice. In the next part, we're going to measure some items using our meter stick. So we're going to have some friends take a turn with our meter stick. The first thing we're going to measure is a desk. A desk. We're going to measure the length, the width, and the height of a desk. Can you measure the length of your desk for us, please, with this meter stick? The length of your desk, and we've got another sheet we're going to fill out the same way. That shows our length, width, and height of everything we're going to measure today. You are welcome, friends. How long is our desk? 59? Let's see. Ooh, it's close. 59 or 60? What do you think? 60. Okay. Our desks are 60 centimeters long. 60 centimeters long. Very nice. 2, can you measure the height of our desk? How high is our desk? How tall is our desk? Thank you. How tall is our desk? What number do you see here? 70. We have to count backwards a little bit. 70. 69. 68. 67. 66. 66. Okay, 66 tall. Woo. 66 centimeters tall. Which way is longer, our width or our length or our height? Our height. Yeah, our desks are taller than they are long. Okay, can you measure the width of our desks, please? The width. Width.
60.
Yeah, very nice. But make sure you're putting length 60, height 66. You got it. Very nice. How wide is our desk? What do you think? Close, 39 or 40? What do you think?
39.
39, okay, our desks are 39 centimeters wide. 39 centimeters wide. Next, we're going to measure our table over here. Pang Pon, can you help us measure our table? Come on up. Come on up and measure that table. Which way are you going to measure? Length, height, or width?
Length.
Length. Okay, measure our table. Measure how long our table is. Is it longer than a meter?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's longer than a meter. Oh, you want to use a ruler? Okay, let's start on the zeros. Hold on, let's start on the side with 0. Start here. Very good.
100.
And then what about the rest?
102.
So 100 here?
Yeah.
We still have more table here, right? Yeah, okay, here. Pak Boong is going to lend you her ruler to measure. Which side has the 0? Very nice. Is that your side with 0? There you go. Very nice. Where does that end?
122.
22?
Yeah.
Okay, 122. Very nice. Very nice. Our table, thank you, is 122 centimeters long. 122 centimeters long. Down. Can you help us measure the rest of the table? Very good. Very good. So for our length is for our next thing. 122. Which way do you want to measure? Height or width? Height. Measure how tall our table is. How tall is that table? $76? Okay. Our table is 76 centimeters tall. 76 centimeters tall. Thank you, friend. Not here. Come on up. Come on up. And we are going to measure which way now? What do you think? Width. Width. Can you measure the width of that table for us? Go ahead. Width. There we go. Very nice. So make sure it's at the edge of the table. You got it. How wide is our table? How wide?
76.
That's our height.
61.
61? Okay. 61 centimeters wide. Everybody put 61 on your paper. And the last thing we're going to measure is our chair. We're going to measure this chair. Pot, can you help me measure this chair? Can you help me measure this chair? Everybody got all their numbers for our table? Everybody got all their numbers?
Yeah.
Okay. So Pot, you can choose length, width, or height. You choose, okay? You're gonna do which way? Which way are you gonna measure? Height? Okay. So all the way back here, how tall is that chair? How tall is our chair? Let's find out. Let's find out. So,
Hey, stop.
two. How tall is our chair? What do you think? How tall is that chair? 80? Got it? Okay. Our chair is 80 centimeters tall. Thank you. Lakao, can you help measure our chair another way? Can you help measure our chair another way? You want to do length or width? Length or width? What do you think? Width. Okay, measure the width for us. Everybody have height written down? Measure the width for us. Yes, very good. Width. Width. This way. That's height. We need width. Width. Yeah. This way. There, you got it. There you go. Lakao's measuring our width. Our width. Width. How wide is our chair?
31.
31 centimeters. Very nice. Okay, while you're here, can you also do our length for us? Can you do our length for us too? So we did width, now we want to do length. We like that. Very nice. Very nice. How long is our chair? Good job. It's between 30 and 40. We're going to find out how long.
Baby.
39 centimeters long. Thank you, my friend. Very nice job. Okay, everybody got theirs filled in for numbers 1, 2, and 3? Got it all filled in, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the next thing we're going to measure is our classroom. We're going to measure the classroom. But on the back of your paper, before we measure the classroom, I want you to guess. I want you to guess. You think our classroom is. How long do you think our classroom is this way?
111.
And I want you to guess in meters. We're going to use meters. So do you think our classroom is 10 of these meters long? Or 5 of these meters long?
No.
So on the back of your paper, turn it over. I want you to write an L and write your guess for how long you think our classroom is. How many meters do you think our classroom is long?
100.
Take a guess.
1,000.
And we're using meters. So this is 1. Okay, this is 1. So think about how many of these it will take to go all the way across our classroom this way. Take a guess and write it on your paper. So turn your paper over. Turn your paper over. Write an L. Write an L and guess how long you think our classroom is in meters.
100.
In meters. So take a guess. Write it on your paper. Write it on your paper. Do you think it's 20 of these? You think it's 150? Okay, we'll see. How many do you think? How many do you think? 10? You think 10 of these? Do you think 5 of these? What do you think?
10.
You think 10. Okay, write it on your paper.
10.
Okay, what do you think? Write it on your paper. Do you think 8 of these to go across? Do you think 10? Okay. How many do you think? 20? Okay, right, 20. How many do you think? How many of these do you think to go all the way across? You think 8? Okay, cool.
I think 100.
You think 100? Okay, write it on your paper. How many of these? How many? 30? Okay, write it down. Lakao, how many do you think?
9.
You think 9? No, M. M. So we're using meters now. We're using meters now. 10?
Yeah.
Okay, write it on your paper, whatever you think. How many do you think? 8? Okay, write it on your paper. So turn it over. Turn it over, write an L. Write an L. L. And 10. And the number 10. Okay, everybody got a guess? Okay. All right, we've got a guess. Here we go. We're going to measure. Everybody come help me measure. We're going to start in this corner. We're going to start in this corner. Should I? Okay, write it on your paper. Where should we start with our meter stick? Where should we start? We need to measure the length. Should I start here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to be against the wall.
100.
Okay, so we've got that. Somebody needs to put their finger. Prow's putting her finger, so somebody scoot it over. Okay, very good. So we've got 1 meter. So Pakong, put your finger down for us.
200.
2. Slide the ruler over. Okay, very nice.
3.
Lakao got 3 for us. Slide it down. Slide it down. 4. Okay, somebody come and slide it down again for us. Very nice. Okay, down's got 5 for us. 5. Wait. Oh, Pot's got his finger down. Okay, 5. Very nice. Pot, are you number 6 or number 5?
5.
You're 5? Okay. And does our ruler go 6 times? Yeah, it goes 6 times. Does it go a little bit more than 6? What do you think? Look over here. Yeah, there's a little bit more than 6. How many do you think that is? 2 or 3 centimeters?
2 or 3?
2 or 3?
3.
Okay, it looks like about 2 or 3.
2.
Yeah, it's 603 centimeters. Okay, very nice. Very nice, friends. You can go back to your desk. We have 603 centimeters, or about 6 meters. About 6 meters. Did anybody guess 6? 6 meters for their answer? No. We guessed a little bit longer. That's okay. So turn your paper over. Turn your paper back over to the front side, like this. Turn your paper back over to your front side, and for our length, you can write 603. Very nice. Good job, friends. What's another way we can measure our classroom? We did length. We can do height. Whew. Do you think we can do height of our classroom? That's going to be tricky. We're going to have to do it a tricky way. Let's see. Can we reach? Oh! We'll do it from right here. Okay, I need a friend to help me, though. I need a friend to help me. Somebody help me. Come on up. Grab the chair. Grab that chair. Stand on that chair. Okay. Got it? Another friend. Come on up. Okay, I'm going to help you hold it. Okay, we need another chair. Bring a chair. Bring a chair. Bring a chair. Woo. So we've got 100 centimeters. Bring your chair. Put your chair right here. Stand up. Okay, so Lakau's got her finger. Hold your finger right there. I'm going to move the stick away. Got your finger there? Got your finger there? Put both your fingers there. Okay. Keep your fingers there. Keep your fingers there. Put your finger here. Okay, hold it right there, because I'm going to move the ruler. Keep your finger here. Don't move. I'm moving the ruler. Don't move your finger. Keep your fingers there. Keep your fingers there. Okay. We've got 100. We've got 1. Come put your finger down here. Thank you, friends. That's 2. Very good. Don't move your finger. Don't move your finger. We've got 200. And how many? Good job, friends. You can come on down. You can come on down. 82. Okay. 81? Okay.
Yeah, 81.
81. So 281 centimeters, or about 2.8 meters. We don't need to worry about meters right now, so think about centimeters. So height. Height. So use your heights column and write 281. Okay, what other way can we measure our classroom? We did length. We did height. Width. Width. Okay, turn your paper over. Turn your paper over. I want you to think about how wide our classroom is. Take a guess. Take a guess. Turn your paper over. Turn your paper over. Write a W. Write a W. Think about how wide you think our classroom is. Think about how wide our classroom might be. Take a guess. This way, wide. How wide do you think our classroom is? And write down a guess.
4.
10. 10 of these meters?
10 meters.
Oh, you were close. Very nice.
4.
How wide do you think our classroom will be?
4.
Okay, you think 4? You think 8? Write it down. 10? Write it down. How many? How many do you think?
5.
You think 5. Write it down.
4.
Write it down. Very nice. How many do you think?
7.
Okay.
5.
Got it written down? Yeah, that's our guess. That's our guess. I think it's going to be 8. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know. It's a guess. Okay, here we go. We're going to measure our width. We're going to measure our width. Let's start over here. Start it off. Everybody's going to help on this one. Everybody's going to help on this one. So start our ruler. Yeah. Yep. Put it down. Someone put a finger down. Very nice teamwork. So we've got 1 and scoot it down. 2. 3. Who can put their finger down for 3? Thank you, Pot. Thanks, Pot. It's so close. Okay, very nice. 3. Okay, someone come put their finger on this side. Okay, is that, how many is that? 4. Wait. 4. Okay, someone put their finger down. 5. Okay. Okay, how wide was our classroom? We had 8 of these, and how many left at the end? 62. Okay, so how long was how wide? 862. Is that a lot? Yeah, that's a lot. She was so close. What a good guess. You guessed 10. That's close too. You guessed 10. 6. Good job. We had a lot of great guessing. Good job, my friends. Good job. What a lot of hard work measuring our classroom. Which was our biggest number? Length, width, or height? Was that our width? Yeah, our width. Our classroom is very wide. Which way was our shortest way? Length, width, or height? Yeah, our height. Yeah, 281. Good job, my friends. So everybody record how long, tall, and wide our classroom is. Got all your numbers written down?
Yeah.
Great job. Okay. Very nice. Everybody show me real quick. Show me length. 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 Show me width. What does width look like? Width. Good job. Show me height. Which way is height? Height. Great job. All right. Thank you so much for joining us for our measuring lesson in meters. Can everybody say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Good job, friends.